Question: Sonia has been asked to rewrite her company's careers Domino website using Xpages. One of the benefits expected from the new development is better response time for the users. What is one reason why Xpages may offer better performance versus earlier Domino websites? Option A. Xpages avoid formula language, thereby saving the time incurred by the formula parser on the server. Option B. Xpages are based on JSPs, which are faster than Domino HTML rendering. Option C. The custom controls that ship with Xpages provide optimized widgets that may perform better than those developers could produce on their own. Option D. Xpages are AJAX-enabled, which can offer response time improvements due to partial page refreshes. The correct answer is option D. Question: Juanes needs to import some data from a custom application not using a standard database engine, which is being migrated to a Lotus Notes/Domino application. How can he accomplish this task? Option A. Export the data to XML on the old application and import it using XMLT. Option B. Use Lotus Enterprise Integrator. Option C. Import data using one of the built-in collection services like DEX or connectors. Option D. Export the data from the old application to one or more ASCII files and import them by using Lotus script file access methods. The correct answer is option D. Question: Adele would like to include a style sheet in every page of her application. What should she do to accomplish this? Option A. Create a theme and define the style resource within the theme. Option B. Create a style resource and reference it in each design element. Option C. Create a theme defining the style resource and turn on the Enable Enhanced HTML application options in the application properties. Option D. Use the Enable Enhanced HTML application option in the application properties, and select her style sheet as the default style sheet application property. The correct answer is option C. Question: Monique's laptop was stolen. Monique had locally encrypted the databases on her machine using medium encryption. Which one of the following can unauthorized users do? Option A. Compact the databases. Option B. Nothing. Option C. Read copies of the databases made through the operating system. Option D. Use their user IDs to access local databases on Monique's workstation. The correct answer is option B.